Hi everybody, welcome to the final card in the Inked Botanicals card class. I hope you've enjoyed the cards, enjoyed making the cards as much as I've enjoyed designing them for you all. So this one here, I've introduced a little add-on item in this card, which is the Wanted to Say dies, which I'm a big fan of. So we're starting with a Lost Lagoon card base. Give that a nice crease and pop your piece of Very Vanilla inside the card. Close it up, and you can also add the piece on the outside as well. Okay, so that's done. Now you'll notice in the background of this I've done a little bit of Stampin', and I've actually used a crumb cake ink pad for this. So I'm going to just do my little bit of stamping, and you'll notice that it's all sort of second generation and third generation. So that's all I'm doing. So it's just a little bit. It's nothing too in your face. You've then got this nice piece of DSP that you can add across the centre. Perfect. Next you've got this crushed curry die cut. So this card builds really quickly actually. It was probably the quickest card in the set. There we go. The next part, you have this gorgeous sentiment, and this says feel better soon, and the reason I've gone with this is because I wanted a long sentiment, and I haven't used this one too much yet either. Okay. So you're going to take this piece here and you're going to stick that down to your card. Okay, and then this piece is your detailed words, and this just gets stuck down over the top. So just add a little bit of glue here and there, and then line it up so you can see the shadow. It's really pretty. I love it. And then we've got a couple of little pieces to stamp. So you're going to stamp in Lost Lagoon and Calypso Coral. So the big leaf is going in Lost Lagoon. Like so. And then the little leaf is going in. Did I say Coastal Cabana or did I say Pool Party? I meant Pool Party. It's been a long day. There we go. So just cut both of those out. I'm just following it around, leaving a little white border, a little vanilla coloured border. Just trim around that bottom, neaten that up, and then this one here. And these layer together really, really nicely, or at least I think they do. out nicely. So bring my card back in, and I'm going to stick this down to the card so that this stem sits on the edge of that circle. So actually you're going to put your glue on these leaves here. There we go. Perfect. And you've got this little guy to sit on the top. Lovely. And then you've got a nice little bow of linen thread to just add a bit of texture. And that's going to sit just there, and I'm going to trim those off. And that's it, guys. That is the final video of the Inked Botanicals class. Thank you so much for purchasing the kit and the PDF and the videos, and for joining in. I really do appreciate you supporting my little business. If you have any comments or questions, please do get in touch, and don't forget, when you refer a friend to any of my classes, they get the first kit for free. So please do spread the word, and I'd love to see some new people joining my classes. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye for now.